Bam. The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video, and now we're doing Bittorrent. Why? Well, it's hitting some kind of targets. It looks like you want to explode. There is a lot of action going on, and there is a lot of volume also happening. Is there actually a lot of volume? Nah, it's not a lot of volume. There will be volume. Maybe there will be volume. We have to see what's actually happening. So let's get into the chart and start looking at it. So actually volume is actually decreasing here. I don't know if that's good or bad sign. So let's not look at the volume then. Okay, so basically the price has been going since it broke the top or previous top over here. It's going slowly, steadily upwards towards our target at 0.060, and it's not yet hit it, but it's in the ballpark. It hit it, so we're gonna remove it. We're not gonna look at the target anymore. We don't have to look at these supports down here anymore, but we are above the all-time high, and we are going in this wedge or triangle, or this is some kind of a wedge. We are going up. Now last time we did Bittorrent video, we said that this is playing out exactly as holochain played out. Here's a quick look at the holochain, and just disregard all these lines over here. Let's just quickly draw the lines, just so you can see it. Wait, it was something like this. Yeah, it was over there. Let's just quickly draw the line. I'm gonna explain to you how this, because it's easier to see without a lot of lines. Now these are playing like this, and basically it was something like this, and it was going sideways, and then it exploded. Right. So it's playing now. Bittorrent is playing out exactly the same way. It went up, then sideways. That up, sideways, and then it broke out. Out here, right? That's the plan. So how did this happen? Well, it went first one time up sideways, 2 times up sideways, 3 times up sideways, and then 4 times it broke on the upside. Right now, look what's happening on the Bittorrent. Let's go back to the Bittorrent chart and see what's actually happening. So you have 1, 2, and now we have this third movement going on. Where's the third movement? There's 3. And now we expecting this 4 moment on the upside. If it's gonna play out as holochain played out, this should break on the upside. Now whether this line is correct or not, I've been trying to draw it another way, using some other wicks and stuff like that. It's very I don't know what I'm gonna call it. Is this line correct? Because then you don't hit these wicks, and I don't like that, because I think these 3 wicks are important. So maybe it's gonna be something like this, maybe something like this. Maybe we already broke it and are already on the upside. So you know, it depends on how you draw it. It depends on how you draw it. But I kind of like that, because I'm expecting once we break it that we should have a pretty significant volume that we didn't have. We have had volume here, so that actually confirmed that this resistance down here actually got broken with the volume, right? That was very nice. So now we are volume is falling down while the price is going up, and that's good. But it looks like people are accumulating. People are just waiting for the next breakout, and I think everybody sees this line over here. Yeah, that's why I like this line over here, because it is this top down here. It hits these tops, and then yeah, now you can see it. Now you can see it. This stop, these stops, this stop over here, and these. And you can, and if you zoom out, if you zoom in, you can see here that we are sitting just below the line, and we want to try to break the line. So this is a 4-hour candle, so around 2 more hours before we actually can confirm if we are above the line or not above the line. But it looks very good. It looks ready to explode. And you have to understand, once it explodes, it's gonna do something similar to what holochain did. You can see here, once it exploded above the line up here, this holochain, once it exploded above the line up here, then it went sideways. So this here was the line, and it went above the line, and then it went kind of sideways. I'm not saying it's gonna go down to 0 something, but you're gonna get some kind of correction when it explodes, because it's gonna explode a lot. And I'm gonna show you also the target where it's gonna explode. I think it's a nice target, so I'm gonna show you. So you have to know that once this move is finished, you're gonna have this sideways correction that can last nice for maybe a couple of days or something like that. So whether you want to hold through that or jump into something, I don't know if you are swing trading or day trading or what you're doing, you know, but I'm just saying, like, after next big pump up, it's gonna have some kind of correction. How severe that correction is gonna be, that depends. Now there was this what am I gonna call it? There was this this target I was talking about that I want to show you, and I'm gonna try to draw it. But while I'm doing that, you know, hit the subscribe button, because we are on this channel. We are doing Bittorrent quite often actually, and if you want to follow and see what's actually happening with Bittorrent, maybe be subscribed to the channel. It might help you. So this line is parallel with one of these lines down here. Let me try to draw it like this. Move down here, and it is wait, it's up here. Yeah, that's nice. So you can see here. Let me do it like this. I didn't prepare this. I should have prepared this. So I'm going to show you the target. You see this bottom over here and these supports over here. It creates very nice, very perfect support line, right? And that support line actually down here as well. These are parallel lines, so they are very important. So that means that we have we're gonna go maybe something like holochain again, up to the line sideways, and then up the line all the way up here. But when that's gonna happen, I don't think we're gonna go all the way up to the first target. That's up to, I think, like 300% or something like that. Yeah, that's 300%. I think this up here, this first middle line is the target, should be the target for this this move. That's around 87% move. That'd be very nice targets. So that comes at this target comes at exactly, if it goes today, tomorrow, maybe something like this, 0.011. So that's the target we should look for, and that's the target that actually I'm aiming for after this breakout up here. And I think it's gonna break any moment now. I'm looking like on a 1 hourly chart, and you can see here we just got rejected on the 1 hourly chart right now. Did we actually break it or got rejected? I don't know. Can you see it? Can we zoom in a little bit more? Is this breakout confirmed? Is this breakout confirmed over here? Let's remove the volume. I don't know. Maybe this. Let's go 30-minute chart. Yeah, it kind of broke it on 30-minute chart, and then it kind of stayed above it, and now we are falling below it. So what's actually gonna happen? What's gonna happen? Is this gonna just be a wick after we get up there? Is this a retest on the 30-minute chart? Is our line, trending line, very correct or not? Maybe the trend line is actually all the way up here, somewhere like this. Maybe, you know, you never know. Maybe this is the finish. Maybe this is the top. But then this is the 30-minute chart. We are looking at the daily chart, and daily chart is not even close to be finished. And that's the one that we have to be worried about, because the closer down you get, you only should go down to the 1 hourly chart or 5-minute chart or something like that, just when you're about to buy in. But you know that you're about to buy in when you're looking at the weekly and the daily chart. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.